I wish to have an ambient discussion. I see it's changing. We have a typical approach with 2D. Now we go to object-based. Many of you recognize it. Even I. But we don't discuss the workload and how it's going to change with BIM. This is how it usually look. This is the workload in the project. And we discuss the cost of construction and cost of influence. But it's changing. It should change. That is what I feel. But how should it change? I think this change is going more to the left if you're going to have the same picture. The new curve, workload curve, should look like perhaps this. This is more what I believe in. We have to work more and harder in the beginning. Make harder decisions. If we don't do it, we will have problems. It will be very expensive in the end. Let's stop for a minute. Let's be quiet. Rethink. How should it be? How is it in your project? I believe if thinking BIM and working traditional, it will be very, very expensive in the project in the end. Before, if the architect made a change, it took 5 minutes for us to make a change. Today, if architects make a change in 5 minutes, it doesn't take 5 minutes. It takes hours with object-based technology. Late decision in the project will cost a lot of money. If somebody says fast track, yeah, it's okay to fast track, but we have to change the working load. Decisions has to make earlier, and we have to understand changes in the end will cost more with object-based design. We cannot wait for the decision from the tendency. We cannot wait for the decision from the architect. We cannot delay the work. We have to start working earlier. We have to have good contracts in the beginning. Somebody has to pay for more expensive project. I believe this is what happens in a real project when you are thinking BIM but work traditional. Should we rethink? How should it look like? I know it's going to be more expensive thinking BIM working traditional. I believe